Hello everyone, still on vectors. Before we move on to the multiplication of vectors, I would like to draw your attention on one important question under unit vectors. And the question is, given that a vector v with these components 5, negative 12, we're asked to find the vectors that are parallel to the vector v and has a length of 39 units. Let me just write units here. All right, how can you solve this particular problem? Let me explain. Let's assume you have a vector v here. Let's assume this is the vector v. We would like to find another vector which is parallel to this one. A vector that is parallel to this one could be this, towards the same direction or opposite direction, but they must maintain the same slope. Yes, no matter where they get to, they will never meet. This is why they are parallel. But these two vectors, whether they are 2 or 1, we want to make sure that the vector has a length of 39 units. So first of all, let us determine the length of this particular vector v to see whether they have the same length or not. The magnitude of this vector v is equal to the square root of x component squared plus the y component also squared. All right? 5 squared is 25. Negative 12 squared is 144. 144 plus 25 is 169. And square root of 169 is 13. So this is equal to 13 units. So it means that the length of this particular vector is what? 13 units. But this is not what we are looking for. We are looking for a vector that has a length of what? 39 units. Oh my God. So one thing you can do is to divide this particular vector by its magnitude, just to obtain a unit vector. What is a unit vector? A unit vector is a vector that has a magnitude of 1 unit. So out of this one, this particular v, let's assume this is that, it has a length of what? 39 units. We would like to determine one vector that has a magnitude of only 1. Then we multiply that by 39 just to obtain the total length of that vector we are looking for. Did you understand that? Because we are looking for a vector. Okay, this particular one has 13 units, right? As its magnitude. But we are looking for another vector that is parallel to this one, but with magnitude of what? 39 units. Get the difference. So you can find a unit vector of this one. Then you do what? You multiply it by 39 just to get the total length you are looking for. So how can you find the unit vector? The unit vector is equal to the vector itself, v, divided by its magnitude. Yes, this will give us the unit vector. Then because we are looking for the, what do you call it? Vector that is parallel to this one with a length of 39, then that vector, let's call it w, will be equal to 39 multiplied by the unit vector. Or the vector, let me call this one 1 and this 2, negative 39 multiplied by that unit vector. Why do we choose this one? Because I told you the direction doesn't matter. If you multiply by negative, it will look towards the other opposite direction. And if you allow it like this, it is going to be a unit vector of the same direction from the original vector. So these two, assuming this is what? 39u, and this is negative 39u. Remember, by multiplying by negative, we'll just change the direction. All right, so now let us substitute everything. Our unit vector is now going to be the vector which has the component 5, negative 12, divided by what? The magnitude, which is 13. But we are not done yet. This is just the unit vector. To find that particular vector we are looking for, the first one will be 39 multiplied by whatever we have here. So you can say 39 divided by 13 because remember this is dividing, then multiply by 5, negative 12 Then the second one will be equal to the same thing, negative 39 divided by 13 multiplied by the vector itself. So this is what you have to simplify to get the two vectors you are looking for. So let's simplify here. So the first one will be equal to what? This divided by this will give us 3. I think, yeah, 3 exactly. Because 3 times this is this. And 3 times 5 is 15. And 3 times this is negative 36. This is the first one. And the second one, remember, just a difference of sign. This is negative 15 and this is positive 36. Yes, so these are the two vectors that are parallel to this particular vector with the length of 39 units. Thank you for watching. Anticipate our next video, which is on the multiplication of vectors.